With the latest from the newsroom, I'm Corey Fink. A Randall man has pleaded not guilty to all 4 charges he faces, including 1 count of first-degree attempted murder. Along with the murder charge, Kyle St. Martin Smith also faces 1 count of first-degree assault, second-degree assault with a dangerous weapon, and a charge of 5th-degree possession of a controlled substance. The charges are related to a May incident at a Randall trailer park in which St. Martin Smith allegedly shot a Little Falls resident, attacked him with a baseball bat, and repeatedly threatened his life. The attorney representing St. Martin Smith, Adam Johnson, said he and his client intend to argue self-defense in regards to the incident. Johnson said that the defendant was protecting himself, his dwelling, and another person, St. Martin Smith's girlfriend, who was present during the incident. Johnson also successfully filed a motion to remove Judge Conrad Freeberg from the case. Instead, Judge Daniel Benson will preside over the court proceedings. A pretrial date has been set for January 20th at 1 p.m., with a trial to be scheduled no fewer than 30 days after that. A Little Falls man has been sentenced to 15 months in prison following his conviction of assault in the 4th degree, assault on a peace officer, transfer of bodily fluids. 39-year-old Nathaniel Brimson was arrested August 17th for a disturbance at the county fairgrounds. Little Falls police officers responding, including Officer Jake Heffron. Brimson was placed in Officer Heffron's squad car. The squad car's video shows Brimson yelling at and threatening the officer. The squad car video also shows Brimson spitting on Heffron through the squad's protective screen that separate the driver from the back seat of the car. Brimson pled guilty in front of Judge Conrad Freeberg this morning. Brimson waived his right to a pre-sentence investigation and was immediately sentenced to prison, the 15-month term. A Benton County judge has ruled that a jury should decide whether a former Sauk Rapids police sergeant was acting as a city employee when he made a posting to an internet site that is the subject of a defamation lawsuit. Benton County District Court Judge Robert Ropp denied a motion from the city and its insurance carrier that asked Ropp to declare that Tom Roy was not acting as a city employee when he made the post. If Ropp had declared that Roy made the post outside the scope of his official duty, the city and its insurance carrier could deny legal representation to Roy. Roy is being sued by Ryan Larson, the man who was arrested in the hours after Cold Spring Richmond police officer Tommy Decker was killed. Larson was held in jail but was not charged in Decker's death. No other suspects were arrested in the Decker investigation. Investigators later identified Eric Thomas as a person of interest in Decker's killing and said he would have been arrested had he not killed himself. Larson is accusing Roy of defamation for the contents of a letter Roy posted to a website dedicated to officers killed in the line of duty. And the University of North Dakota officially changed their names to the North Dakota Fighting Hawks. The announcement was made this morning after a vote for the eligible voters. Total votes over 27,000, with 57% voting for the Fighting Hawks. The only other name on the ballot, about 42% for the Rough Riders. That's the latest from the newsroom.